What is a baseline schedule? It's the original approved version of the project schedule used as a benchmark to track progress and changes. What is a schedule deviation? It refers to the difference between the planned and actual progress or dates of project activities. What are the different types of project schedules? Master schedule. Level 1, milestone. Level 2, summary. Level 3, detailed. Level 4, look ahead/field schedule. What is the difference between LU and discrete activities? LU, level of effort supportive tasks like supervision, with no measurable deliverable. Discrete, measurable tasks with start and finish points. What are activity dependencies? Logical relationships between tasks such as finish to start, FS. Start to start, SS. Finish to finish, FF. Start to finish, SF. What is resource histogram? A graphical representation of resource usage over time to analyze overloads and underuse. What is the difference between physical and financial progress? Physical progress, work completed on site. Financial progress, value of work completed in terms of cost/expenditure. What is productivity rate? The amount of work done per unit of time or resource, e.g., m superscript 3/day, SQM/HR. What are the key inputs to create a project schedule? Scope of work. Activity list. Duration estimates. Resource availability. Project constraints. What is a change order? A formal document to record changes in scope, time, or cost after project initiation. What is rolling wave planning? A progressive planning technique where near-term work is planned in detail and future work is outlined broadly. What is project crashing vs fast tracking? Crashing, adding extra resources to critical tasks. Fast tracking, performing tasks in parallel to save time. What is a performance review in project control? An assessment comparing planned vs actual performance in terms of time, cost, and quality. What is lead time in planning? Minimum time required between two dependent activities or processes, e.g., procurement and delivery. What is lag time in planning? A delay intentionally inserted between two activities, e.g., curing time after casting. What is earned schedule, ES? An extension of EVM that focuses on schedule performance by comparing earned value against time. What are KPIs in project planning? Key performance indicators such as SPI, CPI, schedule adherence, planned vs actual % progress, etc. What is scope creep? Uncontrolled changes or continuous growth in a project's scope without adjustments to time or cost. What is a man-hour and how is it used in planning? The total hours required by one person to complete a task, used to estimate workforce requirements. What are the major causes of delay in construction projects? Poor planning, design errors, delayed approvals, material shortages, weather, labor issues. What is a look-back analysis? A post-project review analyzing performance against plan to derive future improvements. What is time impact analysis? TIA, a delay analysis method using schedule updates to evaluate the impact of delays on the project timeline. What is a float consumption? When non-critical activities consume float due to delays, potentially turning them critical. What is schedule compression? Techniques like crashing or fast tracking used to reduce project duration without changing the scope. What is the importance of daily progress reporting, DPR? It provides real-time status updates, highlights deviations early, and helps in quick decision-making. What is Primavera baseline update and why is it important? It's the process of revising the original schedule baseline to reflect approved changes. It ensures realistic monitoring and reporting. What is delay mitigation? It involves taking corrective actions to reduce the impact of a delay and bring the project back on track. What is rebaselining? Rebaselining is the process of resetting the project's baseline schedule after significant changes in scope, time, or cost. What is a time-Shennage chart? A graphical tool used in linear projects like roads or pipelines to track activity progress over distance and time. What are construction KPIs every planner should track? Planned vs actual progress. SPI and CPI. Safety metrics. Budget adherence. Labor productivity. NCRs and quality reports. What is workfront analysis? It assesses available scope or locations for execution, helping planners decide on manpower and resource mobilization. What is earned man-hour? It reflects the man-hours theoretically spent for completed work, based on planned productivity and progress. What is a responsibility matrix? RAM. It defines who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed, RACI, for each task in a project. What is the difference between monitoring and controlling? Monitoring, tracking project performance. Controlling, taking corrective actions based on monitoring results. What are recovery schedules? These are revised schedules prepared to recover lost time and meet original or revised project deadlines. What is schedule risk analysis? It evaluates the likelihood of meeting project deadlines using simulations, e.g., Monte Carlo, and helps prepare contingency plans. What is resource smoothing? Adjusting the schedule to ensure resource usage does not exceed predefined limits, without changing the critical path. What is a three-point estimate in scheduling? An estimate method using optimistic time, O, most likely time, M, pessimistic time, P, expected time equals O plus 4M plus P/6. What is a project milestone chart? It outlines only key events or deliverables in a project, without detailed tasks or dependencies. What is site mobilization planning? Planning the movement of resources, machinery, staff, and site setup to ensure smooth commencement of work. What is time contingency in scheduling? Extra time added to the schedule to accommodate unforeseen delays and protect the project timeline. What is percent complete and how is it calculated? It measures how much of a task or project has been finished, usually based on quantity, cost, or time progress. What are soft constraints in Primavera? Constraints like start on or after that allow scheduling flexibility, unlike hard constraints that enforce strict dates. What is the role of a scheduler vs planning engineer? Scheduler focuses on maintaining and updating schedules. Planning engineer involves in scope planning, budgeting, forecasting, and progress reporting. What is interface management in planning? Coordination of activities between different disciplines, contractors, or departments to avoid delays or clashes. What is punch list planning? A list of minor works pending at the end of the project. Planning ensures timely closure before handover. What is the difference between schedule forecasting and schedule updating? Updating, recording actual progress. Forecasting, predicting future outcomes based on current trends. What is a zero float path? It's the critical path where any delay directly impacts the project's finish date. What is a P6 layout? A customizable view in Primavera showing selected columns, groupings, filters, and activity bars for better schedule visualization. What is the key to successful construction planning? Clear scope, realistic scheduling, resource alignment, effective monitoring, and proactive risk management.